If you use Cursor AI and want to keep your work more private, this video is going to show you exactly how to enable privacy mode in just a few clicks. This is a simple but important setting, especially if you want better control over how your data is handled while coding inside Cursor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know where to find the setting, what to look for, and how to make sure privacy mode is turned on correctly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look toward the top area of the app and find the gear icon. That gear icon is where you can access your settings. Click on it to open the Cursor settings menu. Inside settings, you do not need to browse through every option manually. Instead, use the search bar and type privacy. This is the fastest way to find the exact setting you need without wasting time scrolling around the menu. As soon as you search privacy, Cursor should filter the settings and show the privacy-related options. Now scroll down until you reach the privacy section. This is where Cursor keeps its data sharing and privacy controls. Take a moment to review this section carefully so you know exactly what setting you are changing. You should see an option labeled Privacy Mode. When you find Privacy Mode, you'll notice it may currently be set to Share Data. To enable Privacy Mode, switch it from Share Data to Privacy Mode. Once you change that option, Privacy Mode is active. That means you have now turned on the privacy-focused setting inside Cursor AI. This is a great setting to check if you want a more private coding workflow and better peace of mind while using the app. After enabling it, you can simply close settings and continue working as normal. There is nothing else you need to do after the switch is turned on. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Cursor AI walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.